Hey guys, I'm filming a rewind for the week of Australia Day, and I thought I would show you guys what I came out with. So this is the kit. It's from Labelle's, and I am PR for her. So if you want a code, just look down in the description, and that's a few other things there as well to go with. So I'm just putting down the bottom washi. On my Instagram you'll always see my lime and mortar planner, not this one, but I do use this one as a memory keeper, so that's why I'm showing you my process today. I absolutely love the 4 boxes in this kit. The colours are stunning, and there were so many quarter boxes and label boxes, so I had heaps to use in my thread. Now these pointy tweezers I'm using are from Lush's Labels. They're beautiful. I love the design of the rainbows. You can see here I was too rough with the header, and I ripped it. So when I'm placing down my stickers for the day, I will make sure I cover that up in a way where you can't tell that it was even broken. And you can see I can't get a straight row of headers, so I'll try and fix that up for my spread. So after spreading out all my full boxes, I just place the date covers. On the sidebar here, I'm just placing that extra full box, the weekly tracker and this checklist, and I usually put an extra picture box down at the bottom, but I didn't have one of those, so I just left it for the meantime while I was deciding what I was going to do, and I'm just putting the dates up above. So I just placed the weekend banner on the weekend, and now I'm placing this little raining sticker from Marshmallow Studio, and in the next box I've got an icon from the kit because I was cleaning the house, and then I'm using this box and another icon from the kit to say that I was going to Kmart. Now I'm just going to pop another label down from the kit, and I'm going to use this Doctor sticker from Once More with Love. And another label. I do love labels. And this time I'm going to use the icon from the kit. And I'm going to use this phone call one. While we're at the doctor's, we got a flat battery on our car, so we had to call RACQ. And then I'm just putting another label with this sticker from Marshmallow Studio because I rang my mum to complain. On Tuesday, I'm putting a label at the top. I'm just going to use this Australia Day sticker from the kit. Now here I decided I was going to use one of these checklists and put this decor on it from Lime and Mortar so I could put it down at the bottom of the sidebar. So it made the sidebar look prettier, and I'm going to use one of these weekly habit trackers above that. Now filling out the rest of Tuesday, I put this half box, and in that half box I put this beach sticker from Fox and Cactus. He went to the beach on Australia Day. And then for the afternoon, I'm going to use this sticker from Glam Planner. It's we had a barbecue, so I'm going to place that down at the bottom. Placing another quarter box, and I'm going to use this TV sticker. It's from Town. I just put all my TV stickers on this page in my Labelle's sticker book. And for Wednesday, I'm starting with a quarter box and this term 1 sticker from Labelle Stickerz. I was back to school. So after that, I'm just going to place this flat lay also from Labelle Stickerz to note that I was doing homeschooling with my son. My oldest son is homeschooled and my other 2 sons go to school. So I was placing that down. Next I'm placing this quarter box and this Fox and Cactus shoe sticker. It's on Wednesday afternoon. My son has sport, and then for later that day I'm just going to get another TV sticker because after sport we like to just watch some TV, and the sticker is from Chasing Chels. Okay, now for Thursday I'm just putting down this label, and on the label I am putting this coffee sticker from Fox and Cactus. I'm just using this flat lay from Labelle Stickerz that I just used for school. So the flat lay is just to block off a portion of my day, so that's all. I do spend most of my day with my son teaching him. And now I'm putting another label down, and this sticker from Lily Pink Prints. It's a old sticker. I got my haircut that day. I'm not sure if you can buy Lily Pink Print stickers anymore, but I do like that sheet. And next I'm going to be using a Labelle sticker. And I'm just popping down my label and putting this grocery icon sticker. Lastly, I'm just using one of these little strips and an icon from the kit for my Happy Mail. Then we move on to Friday, and I'm putting down this quarter box and this bus sticker from Labelle Stickerz. On Friday I was applying for a bus pass for my son, and just again another flat lay. And down the bottom I'm putting a half box, and in the half box I'm just going to place a TV sticker. This TV sticker is from Town. And to finish off the day I'm just putting a label and this painting sticker also from Labelle Stickerz because I was going to do some painting. Now on to Saturday. On Saturday I'm just placing a half box, and in the half box I'm going to place another beach sticker from, oh no, sorry, I'm placing a shoe sticker from Fox and Cactus, and then I'm placing down this label and I'm going to put this takeaway sticker. Then I'm putting down this half box and this sticker from Wood Paper Joy. It's a custom sticker of my family, followed by this Whitewater World custom sticker from Lime and Mortar. Then on Sunday I'm just placing a quarter box and a little deco from the kit because we just had a lazy Sunday morning. Then I'm going in with a half box and a Fox and Cactus beach sticker because we went to the beach again on Sunday. And then I'm putting a quarter box, and this picture of this sticker is from Planet Goddess Studio because we had some slushies after we went to the beach. And then I'm putting a little label in with this sticker, podcast sticker from Fox and Cactus, because I just watched some shows. So this is the finished spread all written in, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.